step is going to be scoring your cookies. Oh my gosh. Hi, I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods. Today we are going to be making an almond cracker with ground flax. We're going to be using the leftover pulp from making almond milk. So we're going to start with a cup with a little bit more than a cup of almond pulp. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use coconut oil if you'd like. A tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Salt and pepper to taste. I like a little extra salt. And I'm also going to be using some fresh herbs. So you can use parsley, rosemary, thyme, a whole bunch of different ones, whatever you really want to kind of use. We're going to mix this together. And if it's really dry, you're going to want to add water a tablespoon at a time. But looks like this is not too dry, so that's great. So we're going to put this in here. We're going to roll it out to an eighth of an inch thick. The next step is you're going to score your crackers, and that's taking your knife and just putting in probably halfway down the dough, the knife, so that when we bake them, once we've done the first round, you cut them through those spots. So we're going to just make little squares. And once that step's done, the next step is going to be docking. So you can use a fork, and you're just going to press some into the dough halfway. Docking is so that when it bakes evenly and air doesn't come through. So docking is scoring the dough as well. Alright, so we're going to put this onto a sheet pan, and we are going to bake it at 350 for 15 minutes, and then we're going to break them up, flip them, and bake them again. So we'll show you the final product when it's done. So the crackers have come out of the oven halfway through at about 15 minutes. We cut them up into pieces and then flipped them and then baked them for another 15 minutes. So they came out looking like this. If you want them to be thinner and crispier, you can do so, but I found that these are really, really nice. If you want to add things like roasted garlic or just minced garlic to it, you can do that and play around with the flavors because it's quite neutral. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you liked it, please press subscribe, give us some thumbs up, and if you have any comments or questions, just let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.